Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to enable finger in iPhone for downloading apps and unlocking iPhone and etc. So guys, follow this step. First of all, open setting, application appears on screen. Here scroll down, you can see touch ID and passcode. Tap on it and enter your mobile passcode. You can see appears on screen. Here you can see, simply tap on add finger. Here tap on it and guys, place your finger correctly. Here you can see as me, follow me. You can see appears on screen everywhere, every around on your finger. You can see appears on screen and simply tap on continue. Here tap on it and re-enter. You can see appears on screen here and simply tap on continue. You can see appears on screen. And guys, you can use this finger everywhere, iTunes and App Store, password autofill. You can see turn on. Where are you using this finger? And iTunes App Store, I want to use in everywhere in my iPhone. Simply tap on your Apple ID password. You can see appears on screen here. Now tap on OK. Here you can see appears on screen. Now go back. Here I am trying and you can see add finger. You can see my iPhone is unlocking with my finger. You can see appears on screen. You can use in App Store for downloading apps and purchasing apps. You can see appears on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.